Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python properly. First, begin by mastering the fundamental concepts. Understand variables, data types, and control flow like loops and conditionals. Practice writing small programs, perhaps 10 to 15 lines, to reinforce these basics. Select a good integrated development environment, or IDE, to make your coding experience smoother and more efficient from day one. Next, actively engage in hands-on practice. Start building small projects, perhaps a simple calculator or a text-based game, to apply what you've learned. Challenge yourself with coding problems on platforms like HackerRank or LeetCode to sharpen your problem-solving skills. Consider contributing to open-source projects. It's a fantastic way to gain practical experience and learn from others. Once you have a solid foundation, dive into more advanced topics. Explore object-oriented programming, understanding classes, objects, and inheritance. Study common data structures and algorithms to write more efficient and optimized code. Then, specialize by exploring powerful libraries like Flask for web development or Pandas for data analysis, opening up many new possibilities. Finally, continuous learning and community engagement are crucial. Regularly read official documentation and Python enhancement proposals to stay current. Join online forums and communities to ask questions, share your knowledge, and connect with other developers. Attending workshops and webinars can also introduce you to new tools and techniques, keeping your skills sharp and relevant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.